Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Maps Street View. So guys, at first go to your Google Maps and then tap on the diamond icon under the gas. Now tap on Street View. Now go back, and now if you want to see Street View, then click on that place. And that's how we can see around the roads, and that's it. And that's how you can use Google Maps Street View. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.